In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can send an e-transfer using the Simplii Financial mobile app. So to get started, let's sign in to the mobile app. So I'm just going to sign on, select the menu icon at the top, or if you're on Android, look for the menu icon as well, and then select Interac e-transfer. So first, we're going to register for e-transfer. You can enable this option to receive text message notification to your phone number. Then scroll down and accept the terms and agreements, right? And then select register. You can register, we need to specify a nickname. So for the nickname, I'm just going to keep it as MR. So let's select register at the bottom of the screen. And here it's going to send me a verification on my phone, so I'm going to select send code. Once you receive the code, enter the 6-digit code that you receive. To enter the code, select done. So at this point, I don't want to increase my security, so I'm going to select no and then select OK. So I've been successfully registered for e-transfer. So once the registration for e-transfer has been completed, sign out of the mobile app and sign in. Now we can use Interac to transfer money. So here at the bottom of the screen, you can just select Interac e-transfer. You can then select send money, specify the amount that you want to send, select the account that you want to send from, right? So here my No Fee Checking Account is selected. So you can add a new contact, or you can add a one-time contact. So here I'm going to select new contact, and then you're going to specify the contact information for the person that you want to send money. So I'm just going to be adding myself, and then I'm going to be adding my email address. So this would be another email address that I have. Select done and then select save. So here I'll just need to verify my identity. So select send code. Now enter the code and then select done. So a new contact has been added, right? So I was redirected back to this page. So here I'm going to select done, select got it, right? So before you can send, you need to create a security question, right? So you could say, what is my last name? And then provide an answer. So I'm just going to say Jer, right? Enter the security code again, Jer, select done. And then you can add a message that you want to send to the person. Now, whenever the person receives the message, whenever the money is sent to the person, they will need to provide the answer to the security question. So you can go ahead and provide them with the security question, right? So they'll need it to receive the money. Now, once I hit send, the money will be deducted from my account, right? So I don't want to send any money to myself right now. And that's pretty much how you use e-transfer on Simplii Financial mobile app. So I'll be canceling this transaction, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.